kindergarten. We made it to another Friday. Silent cheer. All right, in this video, we're going to practice more word problems with addition and subtraction. And then I'm also going to show you a fun game that you can play called Beat the Parents. You'll play it with me first, though. It'll be Beat the Teacher. All right, and then we'll check our check it off list. Okay, so let's start with the word problems first. I made some really cute turtle magnets because we learned about sea turtles this week. Okay, so I'm going to use these and my other ocean animal magnets in my word problem. So I'm going to use an object to help me solve the equation. Okay, so there were 4 sea turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4 on my board so I don't forget. 2 of the sea turtles swam away. 1, 2. So am I going to add or subtract? Did I add more turtles or did I take some away? I took them away. So that means I'm going to subtract. And how many did I take away? 2. So I'm going to write 2. Now, what does that equal? How many are left? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. All right, let's try another one. Let me bring my turtles back. And I'm going to add a few more. Now I have 6 turtles, okay? So I have 6 turtles, 6 sea turtles. 3 of them go out searching for seagrass. 1, 2, 3. So if they went out or went away, am I going to add or subtract? I'm going to subtract. Minus, how many left? 3. So how many do I have left over? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. All right, let's try another one. You're doing a great job, but I'm going to bring in some different animals now. We have 6 sea turtles. Some sharks come to hang out with the sea turtles. Not just some, 3 sharks come to hang out with the sea turtles. So since they're all together, am I going to add the sharks or subtract? I'm going to add. So I had 6 sea turtles and now I'm going to add the sharks because I want to know how many sea creatures I have in all. So what's 6 plus 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, so this one was an addition problem. Let's try one more. Let's start with our 9 sea creatures. This is a challenge. 9 sea creatures. We have 9 sea creatures hanging out at the reef. 4 seahorses join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to join means to come together. So do you think we're going to add or subtract? We're going to add. So we had our 9 sea creatures and we're going to add, put the plus symbol in, 4 seahorses. So 9 plus 4, what does that equal? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A teen number. All right, you did a great job with these word problems. So now I'm going to teach you a game that you can play at home with your parents called Beat the Parents. So Beat the Teacher or Beat the Parents can be played with just a few supplies. So I use little index cards, but you can use pieces of paper. Then have your parents write math facts on the cards for you, or you can write math facts that you see me hold up here. You can write them. Okay, So when you see this equation, you have to try to figure out the answer as fast as you can. The goal of doing it this way is because you want to train your brain to see an equation like this and for your brain to know as fast as it can that 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay? So that's why we practice trying to go as fast as we can to see if we can get our equations and know the math in our head really quickly. Okay? So we're going to play this game a few times and let's see if you can beat me. Okay? Get ready. Ooh. 6. Great job, Trixie. You beat me. 5 plus 1 is 6. Let's see if Trixie can beat me again. 9. Wow, Trixie, you really know your math facts. 4 plus 5 does equal 9. Let's try again. 6, 79, 9. You got me again, Trixie. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So you can play this game at home. You can just make a variety or a lot of different math facts at home with different addition equations or subtraction equations. So I'm just going to run through and show you a few that you can pause the video and write down while I'm showing you these in case you want to make the game to play. Okay, but you can play it with your brother or sister if you have an older brother or sister, grandma, grandpa, mom or dad, whoever's living with you. You can practice playing so that you can get really fast at knowing your math facts, okay? So keep practicing these. You're going to learn them, and then it's just going to come so easily to you, but you have to practice, okay? Let me just show you a couple more. Remember, you can always pause the video to write down each of these math facts as you see them. Okay? So I just want to say a real quick special thanks to Trixie for helping me out today with this video. And don't go away just yet because we're going to review our check it off list. Okay? All right. Let's see what we have left to complete before first grade. Okay, before we sign off for this video, let's go over our check it off list, okay? So I gave you 5 things to practice about a week ago. So I hope you are practicing these skills and don't stop, keep practicing. I'm also gonna show you some new skills to continue practicing, okay? We only have 12 school days left. I can't believe it. So I want you to practice and finish the school year strong. So don't stop working yet. All right, so let's review. Practice counting by tens and ones to 100. Okay, so counting 1, 2, 3, all the way to 100. Review your sight words every day. So make sure you're practicing your sight words every day. And remember, the Heidi songs are on the Benchmark app in Clever. You can click on Benchmark to find the Heidi songs, okay? Practice your letter sounds. Don't forget to practice our Zoophonics letter sounds. So A, B, K, okay? Write your upper and lowercase letters the kindergarten way. So make sure you're practicing this. You're writing your letters in the right direction, okay? Number 5, practice different ways to add and subtract within 5. So we've been practicing our word problems, we use objects, we use tally marks, we use circle drawings, we use our brain to add and subtract. So keep practicing all those different ways to add and subtract. Okay, time to look at our new 5 to continue practicing. Number 6, practice saying and writing your opinion. So in our next video, what we're going to talk about is what your favorite ocean animal was that we learned about in our ocean animal unit. Was it the great white shark? Was it the seahorse? Was it the octopus? Or was it the sea turtle? Choose the one that you liked the best and tell someone. Tell someone which one was your favorite, but say it in a complete sentence. My favorite ocean animal we learned about was the sea turtle. Then try writing it. Just as you say it, try writing it. Okay? Number 7, practice writing numbers 0 to 20. Don't forget 0 is a number. Okay, so practice writing 0, 1, 2. Practice writing your numbers up to 20. If you can go higher than that, go ahead. Just keep practicing. Practice counting different objects. Okay, so I showed you lots of ways you can do this. You can count anything. It could be beans, it could be pennies, it could be little toys, but don't stop practicing your counting. You can touch and slide, or you can tap and touch, or you can try to challenge yourself and look at a little pile of something and try to count it in your brain. But don't stop practicing your counting, your objects. Practice writing your first and last name. So important, because you're a very important person with a very important name. So don't forget to write your first name and your last name with finger spaces in between each name. Okay? And your first name and your last name get a capital letter at the beginning only. Don't forget. All right, and number 10, practice sorting. So remember that we learned this skill all the way back in the beginning of kindergarten. You can sort by color, you can sort by shape, you can sort by size, and throughout kindergarten, you've learned other ways that you can sort too. So practice sorting. It could be Legos, it could be fruit you see on the counter at your house, but practice your sorting, okay? And last but not least, remember, Mrs. Phillips is so proud of you. I love you all and think of you every day. Love, Mrs. Phillips. So keep working hard. And remember, I'm your biggest cheerleader. I know that you're going to finish kindergarten so strong and you're not going to give up. And we're going to have a great 12 days together. So have a great day. Bye.